Ready? Start. First and the foremost issue which requires consideration by this court in the present appeals is whether the compassionate appointment of a family member on account of death of an employee in service, is as a matter of right or not. Stop. The issue stands settled in an authoritative judgment of this court in Umesh Kumar Nagpal versus State of Haryana and others. Stop. It was opined therein that the core objective behind granting compassionate appointment is to enable the family to tide over sudden financial crisis and such favourable treatment that is given to the dependent of the deceased employee is a relief against destitution. Stop. It is totally on humanitarian grounds. Stop. The relevant paragraphs in are extracted below. Para. On such exception is in favor of the dependents of an employee dying in harness and leaving his family in penury and without any means of livelihood. Stop. In such cases, out of pure humanitarian consideration, taking into consideration the fact that unless some source of livelihood is provided, the family would not be able to make both ends meet, a provision is made in the rules to provide gainful employment to one of the dependents of the deceased who may be eligible for such employment. Stop. The whole object of granting compassionate appointment is thus to enable the family to tide over the sudden crisis. Stop. Para. The object is not to give a member of such family a post, much less a post for post held by the deceased. Stop. What is further, mere death of an employee in harness does not entitle his family to such source of livelihood. Stop. The government or the public authority concerned has to examine the financial condition of the family of the deceased, and it is only if it is satisfied, that but for the provision of employment, the family will not be able to meet the crisis, that a job is to be offered to the eligible member of the family.